I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use chocolate in Anime Vanguard Easy Guide. Start by choosing a chocolate card that matches your clan and strategy. Then place counters to represent energy or boosts. Treat chocolate like a flexible resource you can spend for temporary power, defense, or effects. Practice swapping chocolate from hand to field to learn timing, and always plan a follow-up play so your chocolate investments pay off. When picking chocolate cards, think about synergy first and whether the card helps your main strategy achieve consistent wins. Look for cards that complement attack patterns, protect key units, or grant useful utility like draw or stall. Balance risky high-cost chocolate effects with lower-cost options so you always have reactive plays. Test different mixes in casual games to identify which chocolate combos feel reliable and fun to pilot. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making guides. Quick recommendation. I've been enjoying a book that changes how you think about money, and it connects to managing in-game resources like chocolate in a fun way. Consider checking it out if you want new perspectives. Look in the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Timing is everything with chocolate effects, so watch for opponent openings and act when disruption yields the most value. Hold some chocolate back for pivotal turns where one extra boost changes the game's trajectory, and avoid spending it all too early. You can also chain smaller chocolate uses across turns to build momentum rather than burning a single big effect. Practice reading opponent tempo to get better at these plays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.